Attention drone pilots. In this video, I'm going to talk about pay-as-you-go drone insurance. So if you're a Part 107 certified FAA drone pilot and you fly drones commercially, stick around because this video is going to be very helpful for you. So what is pay-as-you-go drone insurance? It's exactly what it sounds like. It's insurance that you can buy on the spot. It doesn't require any sort of monthly subscriptions, and you can literally purchase this insurance right before you take off. In the modern age, the best, most convenient way to get drone insurance is to use an app. Yes, there's an app for it. So there's a new app called SkyWatch, and the app allows you to get on-the-spot drone insurance right before you fly. Let me walk you through how this works. So you get to your location, you pull out your drone, you figure out where you want to fly, and then you launch the app. It's very easy. You fill out some basic information like who you are, your address. You tell the app where you're going to be flying, for how long you're going to be flying, how much you want to be insured for. Then you enter the credit card details, hit go, and bam, you're 100% insured. After the payment clears, you will receive an email, and that email will detail the fact that you just got insurance. It'll also send you all of the legal paperwork, so should you need to file a claim, you can prove that you're insured and everything is right where it needs to be. After that, you simply go, you fly your mission, and it's as easy as that. There are a few drone insurance apps already available in the marketplace, but SkyWatch, in my opinion, is the absolute best, and here's why. Number one, SkyWatch has a safety score feature that incentivizes drone pilots to fly safely, and if they do fly safely, the app rewards them by lower insurance premiums. So basically, if you fly with the app just 5 times, the app will assess how safe you are, whether or not you stick to your mission, if you fly over roads, if you go into no-fly zones. If you do what you say you're going to do in just 5 flights, the app will gather that information and give you a safety score. 100 being the top, 0 being the bottom. The higher the score, obviously the better. And after just 5 flights of maintaining a good safety score, you start saving heaps of dough on drone insurance. If you're a drone deploy user, you don't even have to fly 5 times within the SkyWatch app. You can simply import your flights from drone deploy and start saving on drone insurance today. The base rates for insurance through the SkyWatch app are as follows: $7 per hour for $500,000 in liability coverage, or $10 an hour for $1 million in liability coverage. Now these rates are going to fluctuate depending on some factors like weather, whether you're flying over crowds, whether you're in a rural area or an urban area, but the base price is relatively inexpensive. SkyWatch also offers liability insurance up to 10 million bucks. So if you have a big job that really needs coverage, you can do that through the app. That being said, expect to pay more for $10 million in coverage because obviously you're covered for way more money. Additionally, you can use the actual SkyWatch app to power DJI drones, and this is very convenient because the app will send you real-time notifications of whether or not you left the zone that you were supposed to be flying in, if certain weather conditions change, if other hazardous things come up. That's a very convenient feature because when you get those notifications, you can instantly readjust and then go get back on track flying safely. If you don't want to do that, no problem. You can fly with the native DJI app and still be insured. And it's basically as easy as that. You get to your location, you launch the app, you fly your mission fully insured, you land, and then you go on your way and edit a wonderful, beautiful film, and you never have to worry about a thing. If you'd like to give it a go, click on the link in the description below. You will be rerouted to the SkyWatch website, and there you can choose whether you're going to power the app on an iPhone or a Google phone. And after that, it's very self-explanatory. Thanks so much for watching. For more videos that are just like this but completely different, subscribe to my channel, Butenko Films. Ciao!